Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to stress compound words. How do you stress compound words? Words that are brought together to make the meaning that they have. How do you stress them? Words like mother-in-law, commander-in-chief. Words that are made up of more than one words. So how do you stress such words? Now, we can categorize our compound words into two. We have the noun compound words and the verb compound words. If you have a noun compound words, or if you have a noun compound word, you have to put the stress on the first syllable. So example is what we have here. Mother-in-law, the stress is on MO. Commander-in-chief, the stress is on COM. Vice principal, auditor in general, head of state, bylaw, onlooker, bystander, managing director. All these words are noun and they are compound words. So the stress is put on the first syllable. Very, very important. So you should note whenever you have a compound word that is a noun, the stress should be on the first syllable. Now we look at the second instance where we have verb compound words. Words like backdate, outclass, overstress, underpay, undergo. So all these words, we have the stress on the second syllable or the second word of the compound word. So the second word, like here, you have to over and stress. The stress should be on the second word. Under and go, it should be on this, should be on these. These are for verbs. Whereas for noun, the stress should be on the first syllable. So very important, need to take note of these two things. So whenever you have a noun compound word, the stress is on the first syllable. Whereas whenever you have a verb compound word, the stress is on the second syllable. Please, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any question concerning these videos that you want us to work on for you, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you for your support and subscriptions. Thank you and God bless you.